Hello everyone, this is Thresh from SkyMount and today I'm going to explain you roof, fascia and gutter. Okay, so what is roof, fascia and gutter is, so you can see here I have given a sloped roof. Okay, so like for example if you want to give some pardi over here, okay, if you want to give some pardi work or any some design for the slab and all that time you're going to use roof, fascia. Okay, so here very first thing here, let me go to architecture. In roof option, drop down roof, here you will be getting roof fascia. So just click on roof fascia and select the edge of the slab. So you can see here either I can select the upper edge or either I can select the lower edge. Okay, but as I need the pardi from the lower edge, I'll be selecting the lower edge over here. So you can see here the pardi is created over here. Okay, same way I will select this side as well. Okay, so the corners will be joined automatically by itself. Okay, so it is not necessary that it is used for giving pardi itself. So you can use it for giving cornice types of, like for example in temples you'll be having cornice and all that. So if you want to create that, even you can create that also over here. So how I'll be doing that is, for that I need to create my profile. Okay, so I'll have to create a profile in family. Okay, so here how I'll be creating the profile is, here drop down application menu, new, family. Okay, so here you are going to select the profile as metric profile. So as we had done in wall, sweep and reveal, same way we are going to draw the profile in the profile itself. So click on open. So now here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the design as per my requirement. So it is not necessary that I'm going to draw it in the fourth quadrant itself. Okay, so it depends on how I'm going to do my design. Okay, so let us first draw it in the fourth quadrant. So here, so I'll use these draw tools and I will draw my profile over here. So the design you're going to draw it as per your requirement. Okay, so I'll draw a design somewhat like this. Okay, now same way, first I will save this and then I'll click on load into project. Now go to 3D, select the fascia which you have added. In property window, click on edit type and then change the profile as the family which you have saved. So you can see here the profile which I have created, it's come totally outside. Okay, but the same thing if you want it inside, then just what I have to do is I have to change my quadrant over here. So you can see here it has come outside. The profile which I have done, it's come exactly the same what I have done there. But yeah, one more thing what you can do is, instead of selecting this one, you can select the upper edge as your fascia position. So you can select this one. You can see here exactly it will come till the end of the slab. So even if you want to give a slab design, it will be for the slab design as well as it can be taken as the cornice design. Okay, so you can do it like this. So if you are, just suppose if you are placing it down, so here what you can do is, I'll go to my family again. So here select this and I will move it to the third quadrant. Okay, so next again same, click on load into project. and click on overwrite existing version, so that the see here, now it is come inside the slab. Okay, so this is how you'll be working out with roof fascia. Okay, same way as you're having fascia over here, next year you're having gutter. Okay, so what is gutter is, now for example, now whenever you're giving a sloped roof over here, the water should not fall down in front of your house. So there they'll be giving some pipes over here so that the water can flow and just it can flow down one side. Okay, so for that here I'm having the option of gutter. So click on roof gutter and again here select the edge of the roof. So you can see here there is a thing which is created so that the rainwater gets collected in this pipe and it can just flow out one other side. So if I place the next one over here, the corner will be joined automatically by itself. You can see here. So the rainwater will fall like this and it can just flow down at the end of the house. Okay, so most probably this will be given whenever you are giving sloped roof. Okay, so for this also you can change the profile over here just by, as I have told you, roof fascia. Okay, so here again I will drop down my application menu. I'll take a new family and here I'll select the profile as metric profile. Again I'll click on open and here again using line I will draw my profile as per my requirement. Okay, just join it like this. Okay, again save this and click on load into project. I'll go to 3D, select the profile, click on edit type and drop down the profile and I will select as the family which I have saved. So you can see here the profile which I had created is the same what I have added over here. Okay, so in this way you can create different profiles for for reveal and fascia, and you can add it for gutter and fascia over here. Okay, so thank you everyone. For more tutorials you can subscribe and like the video.